Intonation patterns for questions. Choice questions. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will be exploring the topic of intonation patterns for questions, specifically focusing on choice questions. Understanding how to use the appropriate intonation patterns when asking questions is essential for effective communication in English. So, let's dive right in. Choice questions are a specific type of question that offer two or more options for the listener to choose from. They are commonly used when seeking preferences, opinions, or making decisions. The intonation pattern used in choice questions helps convey the options and indicates that a choice is expected. When asking a choice question, the pitch of your voice typically rises on each option, with the final option having the highest pitch. This rising intonation pattern signals that the listener needs to make a selection. For example, do you prefer tea or coffee? Are you going to the beach, the park, or the movies? Now that we understand the concept of choice questions, let's move on to the next section to explore some practice exercises. To become more familiar with choice questions and their intonation patterns, let's practice together. I will provide you with some sample choice questions, and you can practice saying them out loud, paying attention to the rising intonation pattern. 1. Which do you prefer, apples or oranges? 2. Are you going to watch a comedy, a drama, or a thriller? 3. Would you like to have pizza, sushi, or pasta for dinner? 4. When would you like to schedule the meeting? Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday? 5. Which book would you like to read? Fiction, nonfiction, or mystery? Remember to focus on the rising intonation on each option, with the highest pitch on the final option to indicate that a choice is expected. To enhance your understanding of choice questions and improve your intonation skills, here are a few additional tips. 1. Pay attention to native English speakers and how they ask choice questions. Observe their intonation patterns and try to mimic them in your own practice. 2. Practice with a language partner or a language exchange group. Take turns asking each other choice questions, ensuring that you use the appropriate rising intonation. 3. Record yourself asking choice questions and listen back to assess your intonation. Make note of any areas where you can improve and continue practicing. Congratulations on completing this lesson on intonation patterns for questions. Choice questions. You've learned about the rising intonation pattern used in choice questions and practiced using it through sample exercises. Remember to pay attention to the pitch of your voice when asking choice questions, as it helps convey the options and indicates that a choice is expected. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to ask choice questions with confidence and clarity. Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore another aspect of English language learning. Happy learning and see you next time.